car status is on the bottom. We're just going to say, what if it was not on your home display screen? I could easily tap there if I wanted to, or going to hit the back. I can go there and you can see car status, which is going to be found right here on the bottom as well. Now, if it's of importance to you, please keep in mind, you can press and hold. You can move it to anywhere you want to. But this is a brand new vehicle, so I'm going to press and hold and simply move it back to where it was. What does car status tell you? As the seasons change from time to time, you will have it to where your tire pressure monitor will cause your tire pressure monitoring system or your tire pressure monitoring light to turn on your dash. If that does happen and you need to know which tire it may be, all you have to do is come to car status. Once you tap, it will tell you, going to take you back out. We're going to come to that one next. It tells you which one is low on tire pressure and if they're all good. As you can see, we have a check mark. They're all good. This is a quick, easy way to monitor your tire pressure just in case it's going off on your dash. You can easily come here to see which wheel it is, whether it's the front left, front right, rear left. Now, on another subject, if you wanted to tell when your next service was due, gonna take you back out. You're simply going to car status, and because it's the thing we were doing last, it automatically will show up on your home screen on the bottom. Now, there again, if you don't know where it's located, tap here, car status. When's the next service due? As you can tell, service is right up top. Next service due in 250 days or 9,021 miles. So if there's ever a question, you will get a service reminder when you turn your vehicle on, which will show up there. But there again, if it's a tire pressure question on which tire is low or when your next service is due, all you have to do, tap there or come here, car status. You can go between service. You can also go between tire pressure monitoring system. That's just a quick note on how to monitor your tire pressure monitoring system and also to see when your service is due next.